given that x equals to square root of the sum of y squared and z squared, make z the subject of the formula. Solution. We have x equal to square root of y squared plus z squared. Now, looking at what we have here, we want to find z from this equation. And for us to make z the subject of the formula, we can see that inside the square root, z squared is a term. So since z squared is a term inside the square root, and want to make z the subject of the formula, then we need to square both sides. By squaring both sides, we have x squared equals to what? Square root of y squared plus z squared. Then we square everything here. Now, at the right hand side, since square root cover everything, then 2 we cancel the square root. It remains the inside. So we now have x squared equals to y squared plus what? Z squared. Now, from this stage, since we want to make z squared the subject, no, we want to make z the subject, but we need to make z squared the subject first before we can make z the subject. Now, from this stage, we transfer y squared to the left. We have x squared minus what? Y squared equals to what? Z squared. Now, it means that x squared minus y squared equals to z squared. For us to remove these 2 again, what do? We are going to take square root of both sides because we want to remove the power 2 here. So taking square root of both sides, then we have square root of what? X squared minus y squared equal to square root of z squared. Now, these 2 will now go with the square root. It means that what? Z equals to what? Square root of x squared minus y squared. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.